Welcome to Kapardi Mathematics classes. Guru Bhyo Namaha. This is your Murali Krishna. This is the fourth video on single variable calculus. Now in this video, I am going to solve very important questions. This is the first question I am going to do. Let me read the question. In the square ABCD with the side AB is equal to 2, a straight line MN is drawn perpendicular to AC, denoting the distance from the vertex A to the line MN as x. Express through x the area S of the triangle AMN, cut off from the square by the straight line MN, and also find area at x is equal to root 2 by 2. This is the question. Now let me draw the diagram, then I will explain what is given and what you need to prove and how to prove. I will explain one by one. This is the diagram: square ABCD and length is equal to 2 and 2. So first of all, I will find out what is the AC length. My AC length is equal to length of the diagonal. Solution. AC is equal to, of course, using the Pythagoras theorem, you have 2 square plus 2 square, nothing but you get 2. Now a line is drawn perpendicular to AC, which cuts the square at M and N. Here, if you observe carefully, either my line can be, for example, the midpoint this is. Suppose if I draw that is equal to O. If I draw the line between A and O, I will get triangle like this. This is M and N. This is one triangle. Suppose if I take Mn, let is equal to E. If I take this point E after O, then my Mn will be like this. In this case, this is a triangle. So I will get triangle, two triangles I will get. One is AMN. Other one is, I can say, AM1, M1. So you have to find area of this triangle AMN in terms of x. So if I take, now what is given here? This length is equal to x units. Okay. Let the line MN cuts AC at E. What is given? AE is equal to x. So here my AE can be less than AO or more than AO. Less than AO means my this AE distance will be between 0 to root 2. If it is more than that, means root 2 to root 2. So, two cases. Case 1. Case 1. 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to root 2. Okay. Now, I want triangle AM. Of course, area of the triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Okay. Now, for the clarity purpose, what I do, I remove the second half. First, I will focus on triangle AM. Now, area of the triangle. Of the triangle AMN is equal to half into what is base? Base is equal to MN and height is equal to AE height already I have. I want to go for this one. Now, you know very well, in the square, the diagonal is an angular bisector of the vertex. So, this angle is equal to 45 degrees. Since this is equal to 90 degrees, of course, this is also 45 degrees. That means this length x, this length x, both are same. When this is equal to x, automatically this is also x. Therefore, my MN length will be 2x. Okay, from triangle, AME AE ME is equal to AE is equal to cos x. Therefore, my MN is equal to 2x. Therefore, so area of triangle AMN is equal to area of the triangle AMN is equal to half into MN. MN is equal to, you have 2x times height is equal to x. 2 cancel, so I got x squared. This is case 1. Now I do case 2 also. For this case 2, what I do? I draw a line here between O and C. That is equal to M is equal to M. So case 2. Case 2, my x value root 2 less than or less than x less than or equal to 2 root 2. So my triangle is this. So my triangle is 1. Now how I can find? I can say half into base into height. Same thing again. Half into area of triangle is equal to here. Area of triangle half into MN. I don't have any problem with AE because the only x1. Now this is x1, so definitely this will be 2 root 2 minus x. When this is 2 root 2 minus x, this is also 2 root 2 minus x because this angle is 90, this is 45 and this is 45. Therefore, my ME is equal to 2 root 2 minus x. Therefore, in this case, ME is equal to 2 root 2 minus x. Therefore, MN is equal to 2 times of 2 root 2 minus x. Therefore, area is equal half into MN is equal to 2 times of 2 root 2 minus x times of x. 2 2 cancel, so we have 2 root 2 minus x times of x. So, what actually we derive? Area therefore area of the triangle AMI S is equal. 2 cases we got. One is x square, other is 2 root 2 minus x times of x. So here, so case 1, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to root 2, whereas this is root 2 less than x less than or equal to root 2. So that was over. Now we want second one, area. Now second part, area at x is equal to, you have root 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is less than root 2. 1 by root 2 is less than root 2. So you have to go for this formula. Is equal to, at x is equal to, that is equal to is just x square 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. So we got the answer. Next question, find the function of the form f of x is equal to a plus b times of c power x, where c is greater than 0, if f of 0 equal to 15, f of 2 equal to 30 and f of 4 equal to 90. Solution. So my f of x is equal to, you have a plus b times of c power x. First I take f of 0. F of 0 is nothing but a plus b is equal to 15, let number 1. Number 2, f of 2. F of 2 is equal to, you have a plus b times of c square is equal to 30. Number 2. Next one, f of 4 is equal to a plus b c power 4 is equal to 90. Number 2. So what I do, forget about the questions from the functions, it is from algebra. You have 3 equations and you have 3 unknowns. You have to solve them for A, B, C. For this one, what I do, first I eliminate either A or B. Either A or B from the equation 2. So what I do, eliminate A from 2 using 1. So how I can do? A plus B is equal to 15. So I do B A 15 minus B plus BC square is equal to 30, or I can go for B square, B times of c square minus 1 is equal to 15, that is equal to 4. I do same thing between 1 and 3. So I get eliminating A from 2, set from 3 using 1. We get 15 minus b plus bc power 4 is equal to 9. Or I can say b times of c square c power 4 minus 1 is equal to 90 minus 15, that is equal to 75. Number 5. Now what I do, very simple, 5 divided by 4. So we get c square c power 4 minus 1 by c square minus 1 is equal to 75 by 15, or I can have c square plus 1 is equal to 75 by 15 is equal to 5, implies c square is equal to 4, implies c is equal to plus or minus 2, but c is greater than 0, so we take c is equal to, therefore c is equal to 2. Of getting c value, over here, therefore a plus c is equal to 2, therefore 4b is equal to 30, and a plus 16b is equal to 90. Solving these two equations for A and B, we get 16 minus 4, 12. So B is equal to 60. That 90 minus that is equal to 60. Therefore, B is equal to 5. And B is equal to 5. Therefore, if B is equal to 5, we get A is equal to 10. So I got all the values of A, B, C. A is equal to 10. Put A is equal to 10. B is equal to 5. And C is equal to 2. We get f of x is equal to A, that means 10 plus 5. C is equal to 2 times of x. This is the answer. Please take it. A rectangle with the altitude x, that is height, is inscribed in a triangle ABC with the base B and altitude h. That means I have a triangle whose length of the base is B and whose height is equal to h. And a rectangle is inscribed inside the triangle. Express the perimeter P and the area S of the rectangle as function of x. Okay. Now, solution. First of all, let me draw the pattern. I assume that all the verts of rectangle lies along the sides of the triangle. So that is the point 1. So I'll go for very big triangle. So I'll take triangle like this. That is equal to A, B and C. Is given, this is B. Of course, this height. Okay, what I do? My rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now I'll give the names A, B, C. I'll start from here. D, E, F, G, H, I. I have given all the names for this one. So what I do, to find the area, I need length and breadth, right? But only length is given. This is x. This is x. Only breadth is given x. Only thing is I need to find length. That means either IG or DF. So I'll try to find out the length. Only breadth is given. The breadth of the triangle, rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is equal to x. Okay, now to find length. Now look carefully. I consider let this length is equal to this total one is B is given. I do one thing, let this length is equal to y. That means BH length is equal to y, therefore HC length is equal to, you have B minus y. So I write this down. Okay. Let BH is equal to y, therefore HC is equal to B minus y. I will concentrate on two triangles. Number one, look here. This is big triangle AHC. And one more, I'll go for AEF. So these two triangles. In the triangles, first of all, I'll go for AHC. AEF. I say these two are similar triangles. How they are similar triangles? Look here very carefully. This angle is 90. This angle is equal to 90. So angle H is equal to angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Next one, angle C is equal to angle F, because these two are parallel. These two are parallel. These two angles are equal. Angle C is equal to, I will go for angle C is equal to angle F. And one more, this angle is common. Angle A is equal to angle E. And angle A is equal to F, which is equal. So these two are similar. Therefore, triangle AHC is similar to triangle AF by angle property. So I can compare the corresponding sides. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Therefore BC, sorry, HC by EF is equal to, I go for AH by A. Now HC is nothing but B minus Y by EF, I don't know, I'll keep EF as this, is equal to AH, it is given, is H by A. Since this is H, this will become H minus H. This implies I want EF is equal. EF is equal to H minus Y, B minus Y times of H minus X by H. I got EF. Similarly, I focus on second case. I focus on in the triangle the triangles. What are they? Big one AHB is similar to small triangle AED. Of course, same rule, same angle. Now I go for BH. Therefore, BH by D. BH by D is equal to same thing AH by A. Same thing. And BH is equal to Y. Therefore, we have Y by D is equal to AH is equal to H by, again same thing, H minus X. Yes, H minus X. Now I want D, therefore D is equal to, I go for Y times of H minus X by H. Now DF is equal to EF plus ED. Already we have EF is equal to that one. I'll open the bracket. BH minus BX minus HY plus XY. And hence YH or HY minus XY by H. I take an LCM. Any cancellation? Yes, I can cancel. HY I can cancel. And XY can cancel. I got B H minus BX by H. So this is nothing but B by H times of H minus X. See, I got length of the rectangle in terms of BHX, which are the given values. So I got length I got. Now whatever I want I can find. Next one, I'll go for area. Therefore, area is equal to. Therefore, area is equal to. S is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to I have B by H times of H minus X times of X. Okay, that's how you are going to simplify. That's up to you. Therefore, f of x is equal to, or s of x is equal to, I'll go for s of x. S of x is equal to, I'll go for b by h times of hx minus x square. Or if you want to take h inside, that is up to you. Next one, the perimeter. Length into breadth, right? Length into breadth. L is equal to, same thing, we got is equal to B by H, sorry, perimeter 2 times of, 2 times of L is equal to 2 times of L, B by H times of H minus X plus X. If you want, you can simplify further or you can leave it. This is the perimeter.